Today I'm going to show you how to fix old wood that you normally throw away. Now I cleaned this out with a grinder, best I could, all the loose wood, and with using Duff's old wood reviver, a formula I created myself, that I will put it on this wood and it'll strengthen it up so that you'll be able to use this wood again. It's beautiful. Why would you want to throw it away? Okay, you got Duff's old wood reviver. All you got to do is shake it up. Let's actually use one that I've already started on. I'll shake this one up with a brush and a little bit of water. I'm going to start from this end down here. So, move the water down here. You just squirt it on. You got some cracks. Squirt it in the cracks. Like this. Okay. You might want to wet your brush just a little bit. And then just brush it in. Now this will sink into the wood. And soak into the weakened parts of the wood that are broken down naturally, as wood does break down as it disintegrates, rots. But you clean most of the rot, as much as you could, out, and this will actually fix a lot of the wood. Now use as much as you feel you want. The water helps mix with it and soak it down in as well. But this is pretty simple to do. You just brush it on, and then I recommend just letting it dry overnight, but you can keep checking it. It may dry faster, but usually there's no rush when you want to fix some old wood. Old wood just has the characteristics and the beauty that no new wood has. So that's why we use it. More and more people are using it. So with that in mind, more and more people are going to need a formula. And Duff's will take care of that. And that's all you have to do. Now I've done half of it. You can put a little more water if you wish. That'll dry in. And that'll be all strengthened and ready to use. That's it. Thank you.